Day 3. Focal point concept. What is a focal point? A focal point is the most attention-grabbing part of an artwork. It is usually where your eyes want you to focus when you first look at a piece of art. The unusual. What is the unusual? Creating a focal point through the unusual means that one part of the image stands out because it is unusual compared to the rest of the picture. For example, the owl in this image stands out, even though it is colored similarly to the cats and is about the same size. It stands out because it is unusual in this scene. What do you think is the focal point of this image? The person with the bug head is looking pretty sus to me. Unusual aspects can be used to create focal points. What do you think the focal point of this artwork is? The face in the portrait is the focal point. More specifically, the face positioned on top of the eyebrows draws the most attention. Your task is to find objects in your home and arrange them to create a focal point using unusual aspects. Take a photo and upload it to Schoology. Remember to think about how you're placing objects as you prepare to take your photo. Photography concept, tips and tricks.
Home with just your iPad? Looking for a fun assignment? Did I say assignment? It's not an assignment. No. Kids. This is art. You do it because you love it. You do it because it's fun. You do it because it's creative. You do it because it feeds your aesthetic soul. Okay. It's Mr. Hall from All the Arts. I teach media arts, photography, and film. And all you need for this assignment is an iPad. Come with me. What I'd like you to do is find an everyday object around the house. Could be something like a jar. Could be something like a shoe. Could be something like a weight. Or it could be your favorite toy. And I'd like you to take photos of this everyday item from various angles. For example, so I'm going to shoot a little trophy that I was given at yoga teacher training. It's a banana. Let me show you. There it is. Okay. To take a photo of this banana, I'm going to come down at eye level. And I'm going to frame it up. And I'm going to tap on the screen so that the camera knows where to focus. And if I do a long tap, it will even lock the focus. You can see the A-E-A-F lock. Further, if I slide my finger up and down, I can set the exposure, which is the light. Lastly, I make sure that it's well aligned and snap. To take a picture, you want to make sure that the camera is held still. Otherwise, your image will be blurry. You also want to make sure that your horizon line or floor somewhere out in the world is level. And then you might want multiple angles. This is a classic full shot where you can see the entire subject. I can also come in and do a close-up. You can also do a high angle shot where you come up above whatever you're shooting. And that's going to make for a different type of angle. Further, I can do an angle shot. The camera is low, looking up. So with all those tips and tricks in mind, I hope you enjoy shooting. And when you're done, you'll want to organize your photographs inside the Photo app, wherein you can create albums. If you tap album and plus a new album, you can even name your album Banana Trophy. Save. And I'm going to select my full shot, my close-up, my angle, and my low angle. And done. Let's look at our Banana Trophy album. Full shot. Medium or close. High angle. Low angle. Well, thanks for joining me today, everybody. Check back again for more fun photography sessions. This has been Mr. Hall, brought to you by All the Arts for All the Kids and the All the Arts for All the Kids Foundation, and we're happy to be part of the Fullerton School District. Be well.
There we go. Your assignment is to find objects in your home and arrange them to create a focal point using unusual aspects. Take a photo and upload it to Schoology. Remember to think about how you're placing objects as you prepare to take your photo. Example: the focal point is the blue narwhal because it is unusual compared to the repeated dice.